Alright, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Babydoge paws. Many people may have come across this particular site and few people may have not come across this particular site. So before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that each time we bring a relevant information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Share and like to your friends. Share it to your friends and also turn on the notification bell and like this particular channel. So today I'm going to share with you new mining application. Indeed, this particular application is being built on Telegram. So his mind is in a category of hamster combat, what else? X Empire, and so many of them like that. So that is when this particular project is being built out, is being out. But this particular one have not been launched. Why? Because the mining is still ongoing. So we can never give up until you find the correct one, because it's like when you are searching for treasure. So in a field, you can never give up until you locate the right one. You can never tell the one that can reward you handsomely. So Hamster Combat disappoints, X Empire disappoints, powers that we believe so much disappoint. So, but we believe that this particular Babydoge powers cannot disappoint the community. So, as you can see, this particular project is being ridden on its own. It's going on its own, but there are some things you need to do before it will start moving on its own, which I'm going to review to you. So, the link of this particular site it will be on the description of this video. Click on it and register and start mining immediately. Look at what you need. Here is what you need to do in order to participate fully. So number one thing you need to do is come every 24 hours to type at the middle of this particular place. You type on it, it will be accommodating just like other ones, just like the same procedure with hamster combat as of then. So another thing you need to do is to perform those tasks. As you can see, here is the task that you need to perform. All these tasks, join the Telegram, the Twitter, watch some video, and so many of them. Just complete all the tasks. Here is the task that I have already completed. So this is the task that I personally have completed so far. So you too, you should complete those tasks. Here is the one that I have not complete. If you complete this one, if you complete the first one, they will give you, which is by adding tone. I will not encourage you to put any cover in this particular site. So if you connect your wallet, is if you watch this advertisement, as you can see, this is advertisement. They will give you 200,000 copies. If you every day you have to get 100 copies reward, and if you follow their Twitter, you get 2.5 million copies. So that is how to accumulate points from this particular site. And another one is this particular place that said upgrade. Let's go back. This place that said upgrade, this is where the magic starts. So this is the upgrade means. That is when this will start moving on its own, as you can see. The more you upgrade is the more the movements will reading fast. So as you can see, this, look at my balance here, because once you upgrade it, they don't ask you to pay unless you wish to pay. They don't ask you to pay before the upgradement. The upgradement will be deducted from your balance over here. So as you can see, if you should upgrade to this first one, they are going to deduct 470,000 copies from your balance. If you upgrade to this, they are going to reduce 4.6 million from your balance over here. So it means I have to mine for some period of time before you can accumulate the balance that I can use to upgrade it. I think you get me right. So let's click on this. Let's click on the first one. So as you can see, that the cost of this is going to be 470,232. They are going to they are going to remove it. So the profit by hour is 916.96 plus 119. So that is what it will be giving you as a profit. That simply means that that reading of a thing will keep on moving faster than usual. So as you can see, it has upgrade. As you can see, my balance has adjusted. They have reduced from my balance. So if you want to Shopee, look at where they write Shopee. See Shopee. Look at what they said about this Shopee. So if you want to buy this, you can buy this with so amount. As you can see, it will cost you 812,611. So upgrade again. So we have upgrade again. So that is how to perform this task. So you can refer, you can rent. So but I'm not asking you to do that. You can boost your mining, but that they ask you to pay some money. So which I will not ask you to do that. So look at what they ask you to do. Once you click on it, they'll ask you to pay stars 100 and 102 ton, and you know how much ton costs now. So don't even bother to do that. So let's skip this. Just make sure you perform those tasks here, and also you keep on mining field one. So let's know what is next. And one more thing, if there's any sign that they ask you to pay or to invest in any form, either by transaction or by unlocking your site, do well to excuse yourself in this particular project, because a project like this means not reward their community handsomely. So we do not engage ourselves in anything that will cost us money, rather the one that can give us for free. Even if it is small and they list it in a reasonable amount, that is fine. So don't engage yourself by putting any money in this particular site. So another thing you need to do is to connect your Tom wallet. I have already collected mine. So as you can see, my own is already connected. Mine is already connected. So you can connect your Tom wallet. But if they ask you for funds, don't do that. Another thing is the language that you understand is what you add there. So as you can see, as for me, I understand English and I put English. So anyhow you wanted to display the language, you can easily change it by yourself and select it. So that is all you need to know about this particular site. So do well to participate, and also let's wait for the upcoming news that will come across this particular site. So another thing you need to do now is to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, turn on the notification bell, and at the same time do well to like and share to your friends. So be safe and be blessed all days.